go now and go to in the small cabin, build their clay walls made. 9 beavers will have for the honeybee, love warm, and the bee well clean. And I shall have some peace, for peace come slow, dropping from the veils of the morn to where the cricket sings. And nights all the glimmer, and noon the purple glow, and heat full of the lit swing. I will rise and go now, for always night and day. I hear like water lap, low sound by the shore. They stand on the place gray, I hear it in the deep hearts roar.